In today's video, I'll show you how you can download songs from Suno AI. So let's get started. So first is that you can do that by going here into create, and then you should see the bunch of songs that you have created right here. So you should see this list, and then now you just need to navigate to the song that you'd want to download. For example, I would want to download the latest one, which is this one. So now you want to navigate here into the three dots on the right side of that. And now it should have these options. You should see the download button right here. Now you can choose if you'd want an MP3 file, a WAV file, or the video file. But this too will only be available if you have the Pro version. So as for me, I'm just gonna go with MP3 audio. And now from here, you will have this notice right here. So make sure that you understand that. I'm gonna click here and download anyway. And with that, it will now be downloaded into my device, as you can see right here. And now you can play it or do whatever you want with it. And that's how you can download songs from Suno AI.